creators! Today we are going to save images from Google website, or you can call that Google image, into your USB drive. Let's start it. So right now I'm in Google here. I'm going to type in, let's say, rose, and I see right here it's a bunch of roses. If I click on this image here, I get to see a bunch of roses image. So I'm going to click one on that rose that I like, and then I'm going to right click, and as you can see down here we have many selection here. One we want to pick here, save image as. So click on that, and then I'm going to change to a different name. Okay, so rose one, and then so right here I'm going to click on this arrow here and then go to my drive. So right there, I'm going to click on my passport. That is my external drive, but it is, if you plug your USB drive in there, you will see that is your USB drive, okay? And then I'm going to create a folder for it. Let's say, okay, roses. After that, I'm going to click on create. And now I'm going to click on save here to save the photo. And after that, I also want to save this one. I like drawing roses. So once again, I'm going to click on that image to expand right here, and then right click and select save image as. Click on that. And so I'm going to type in rose. This one is drawing. So rose drawing, and look at that. By default, I have my folder selected. If you don't see your folder selected right there, you come over here to my passport, which is your drive, okay? And then find your folder, click on that folder there, and then click on save. So far I have two of the photos that I save in there. So let's say I want to save, another one over here. So click on that rose right there, and then, so right click and then select save image as once again. And then name this one, let's say row 2. And then come over here, click on your USB drive, and then find your folder, click on that folder. Now I'm going to click on save. So we are finished with all these roses. I'm going to click on this X right here to close that Google. I'm going to click on my USB drive here, double click to open. Then click on my folder here to open, and as you can see right here, let me have a show icon. Now we have the photos that I have saved earlier from the Google website. So there you have it, creators. We have photo that we just saved from the website.